Mustang coupe. This is Junior with VRmotorsportz.com with a G?
With a Z. With a Z.
I was almost right. I'll put it down right there like I usually do. And there's the domain name. Yep. Tell them what you do.
So we offer virtual reality sim racing.
Right.
You know, mobile gaming trailer. It gives everyone a chance to try VR because it's not accessible to, you know, most people. So I just try to give the general public a chance to drive.
So basically what you're doing is you go to parties.
Exactly.
And so they obviously will go to your website to get the pricing.
Correct. Yep.
Because pricing sometimes moves around in business.
Exactly.
And this video could be 3 years old.
Yeah.
But it's not right now. It's live.
Yeah.
That's like what is that? An oxymoron? No.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm not an oxymoron, nor is Junior. Let's take a little peek. What the heck was that? I think we just had a UFO sighting.
Yeah.
Let's take a little peek
Yep.
at one of your cars, and you know what I picked out. Here it is.
A 1966 fastback.
Boom! You know it's my favorite car. You can drive it in here. You can race around. You don't have to spend $40,000 or $50,000 buying the car and potentially crashing it. You can crash it here for free. Well, not for free, but you know what I mean. Isn't that cool, guys? And look, they've got all kinds of cars. Wait, was that's a 66 RTR? Interesting. There you go. Look, see, there's lots of selections to play with, and I highly recommend it because it's going to be a lot of fun. Because you got each unit's got its own stereo system, and there it is, guys. And it's a very professional setup, and 3 people can play at one time, and I'm sure it'd be a lot of fun at the party. Really cool. Very cool. It's got, what is that, for air flowing?
Yeah.
And look, it's got tubes for blowing air in your experience driving this car. So Junior's going to take this, what was it? Was it 65 or 66?
66.
A 66 fastback. Wait, let me think. Yeah, I'm hoping on not having a senior moment. Yeah, there was definitely 65 fastbacks. All right, but here we go. Junior is actually going to drive this thing, and we're going to get to see. He's going to have his VR. I wish we could show the VR experience. I wonder if we could put the camera inside the VR helmet.
That might be tough.
Yeah, I guess it would be. You got to experience it firsthand. All right. The next shot will be Junior racing around in a Mustang. Gentlemen, start your engines! Sorry, it's almost like putting a helmet on. It is the kind of helmet, isn't it, in a way? Okay, there he is. He's totally VR'd out. He's seeing the controls. There's the air that's going to blow on it. He's setting it up now. He's going to pick a Mustang for us. I don't know. What do you normally drive?
Porsche.
What was that?
Porsche.
Don't hold it against him. At least he's honest. All right, so there's the controls. This is really cool. And look at there. I'll just put the screen on. Oh, this is actually pretty cool to shoot the screen. Oh, he's doing a burnout. Oh, it's pulling to the right. No, straight. He's in second gear. This is really cool. Dude, you gotta let me play this game now. I want to play it now. Look, he just turned his head to the right. Look, he's looking to the right. Isn't that amazing? He's literally looking into a VR experience. Oh no, he's going off the track. Goes out of control. A little oversteering there, Junior. Look at that. That is so cool.
And you can look into the gauges.
You look at the gauges. Look right and left. Show him. Yeah. Oh man, you look behind you. That is wild. You gotta have a good neck for that. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna beg Junior to let me drive it. All right, Junior's already starting to get people lining up for this thing, so maybe I won't drive it now, but I'll drive it later. Pretty cool. I recommend it.